And today, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 20-piece French manicure set for women. Let me open it up and show you what we get, and I'll have my wife throw some on her hands to see what they look like. So in here we have, look at that. They give you some little colorful like star type stickers to put on your nails. And then you have everything else. So you have all of these different plastic tips. I mean, look at that. So there's 24 on each one of these, different colors, different shades, different sizes, basically whatever you would want, I think would be here. I'll lay these out over here. Then we've got some utensils for putting all of this together. Some nail files, little wooden sticks, and get the carrying case, of course, with these. These are the actual little sticky, double-sided sticky parts to stick them on. So you're able to essentially peel one of these off and stick it to your finger where that then it's able to stick onto here to stick these on your hand. I will have my wife pick whatever she wants and have her put these on her hands just so we can show you what they look like right here.
So first, push your cuticle down like so. Then you pick the size nail that you want. Pull that bad boy off. Shape it up a little. Find the size glue that you need for your nail. This one. And then you put that on your nail. Press down, get the glue on there. And then it has a little pull tab here. Pull the tab off. And then put your nail in all the way down to the cuticle. Push for a second, and voila.
And then repeat 9 more times. And there's also these little stickers you can put on if you want to make them look a little fancier. And so that's what they'll look like. Very, very, very nice. Well, thank you, my queen.
You're welcome.
And thanks to this company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.